A lot of people think about wine first when it comes to grapes. However, grapes are not only good for making wine. They are highly nutritious fruits with high levels of antioxidants. And they are sweet and they are delicious and they are the perfect snack. Hello guys! I'm Agnes and this is the Bites Fitness YouTube channel with our Food Fundamentals series. In today's video we are talking about grapes. Now I have some white grapes here and the health benefits of grapes. Okay, let's move on. First of all, grapes are very high in antioxidants, which are very important for the human body. They can reduce the damage of free radicals that is caused by oxidative stress. Oxidative stress is linked to several chronic diseases like diabetes or cancer. Also note that red grapes have higher amounts of antioxidants in them. Grapes can also reduce inflammation. Studies show that chronic inflammation can be the cause of several chronic diseases. Compounds found in grapes can reduce this risk. Grapes are mostly rich in vitamin K and vitamin C. Vitamin K is important for bone strength and it also clots blood. Potassium, calcium, manganese and magnesium are also in grapes and they also play an important role in bone strength. Vitamin C is especially beneficial for our immune system. It protects the body from viruses and infections, and it can also help you when you have a common cold. Vitamin C is also important for skin health because it forms collagen. Grapes also contain essential minerals like thiamine, riboflavin, vitamin B6, potassium, copper, and manganese. Potassium is essential for heart health and it can also lower blood pressure. There are other plant compounds in grapes as well that can reduce cholesterol levels and also reduce the risk of heart disease, which is the #1 cause of death in the world. Plant chemicals found in grapes can be beneficial for eye health and also reduce the risk of common eye-related diseases. Eating grapes can also be beneficial for your brain health and improving your memory. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. If you liked it, please make sure to hit the thumbs up button and also leave me a comment below if you like grapes or not. If you haven't yet, please subscribe to the Bites Fitness YouTube channel because we post new videos for you guys regularly. And also share this video with a friend who might be interested in it as well. Until the next video, bye guys! At Bites Fitness, our mission is to become and stay healthy together with you. And we provide health and nutrition information and healthy recipes. If you are interested, please make sure to subscribe to the Bites Fitness YouTube channel because we post new videos daily.